Hi, I'm Jan Finley, and today we are at 546 Rancho Alisal Drive. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath home. It's on 0.92 acres with a pool and many upgrades. It's so lovely with views in the front and views in the back. Let me take you on this tour so you can see what this property is all about. Thank you for touring the property with me today. We are ending at the clubhouse with a restaurant and the full bar and all the surrounding guest cottages on the property, the pool, the tennis courts, the golf course, and horseback riding, and even its own private lake. There's so many great ways to spend your time here at the Alisal Ranch.